Back to the track again then for the second heat in the men's 200 metres T42. He is the championship and world record holder. Away they get. And the man in question there gets away quickly. Whitehead on the inside. He's catching up with Scott Reardon, who's in front at the moment. But the Sri Lankan YODHA PEDIGE seems he's doing quite well. Also, Scott Reardon, who's out in front, but on the outside of him, that's Daniel Jorgensen. But here, roaring down the inside, comes Richard Whitehead. And Richard Whitehead will take first place there. It's Reardon who goes across in second, and in third place it is Daniel Jorgensen. That is 24:09. That is a new championship record. We'll just wait for the official time. It is well within the win limit. And Richard Whitehead, didn't he come home very, very quickly indeed. It's also a new world record of 24.10, so a championship and world record for Richard Whitehead of Great Britain, the defending champion from 2013. What a run, 25-27. An Asian record, an Australian record for Scott Reardon. And coming in third place, Daniel Jorgensen in 25.37. What a run there. Evan O'Hanlon from Richard Whitehead. You said wait for him to come home quickly, and didn't he come home that last 60 metres?
Yeah, had the traditional slow start of a double above or below amputee, and Scott Reardon trying to gain as much ground over the first 100 as possible, ending up with an Australian record. But Richard Whitehead, too good, just too good for the rest of the field. Streaming away there and running so fast that it took him quite some time to slow down. He was halfway around the bend. Well,
how do you deal with that? YODHA PEDIGE actually from Sri Lanka got away really well. He was doing exceptionally good around the bend, but he just fell away. As he fell away, that man there, Richard Whitehead of Great Britain, the defending champion, he stormed home in the last 50 or 60 metres. It was a race at one stage between Reardon and Jorgensen, but Whitehead coming down the inside, he took them both, did the British athlete, and goes across in a new world record time of 25.10 seconds. So there were personal bests, world records, area records, everything happening in that race. Whitehead at the top though with the world records. Reardon with an Australian record 25.27. Jorgensen with a personal best 25.37. He qualifies, as does YODHA PEDIGE. He goes through. The force was with him in 26.09. And PBs also for Desmond JACKSON and Phillip WASSENBERG.